Hello, welcome fellow traders. AMP Futures here, presenting another how-to video. In today's idea, we're going to demonstrate another new feature that TradingView has rolled out not too long ago, which is going to allow you to lock chart position whenever you're switching time frames from one time frame to another. So for example, now you can pretty much fix the chart's left edge position whenever you change the interval on the chart. That'll allow you to analyze the data more effectively. So with this new feature, you no longer need to scroll back to the point you were analyzing every time you switch time frames. So for example, let's say you switch from a 1 hour interval to a 30-minute interval, and the chart will stay anchored to the same position in the data history when you were looking at it from the previous time frame. This feature can be especially helpful if you're analyzing historical data for the same period at different time frames, or ensures that you stay focused on the period you're analyzing without losing time or context on the historical data on the chart itself. So let's go ahead and show you now how to activate this feature. It's pretty straightforward. The first thing I want to show you is how it behaves when you don't activate this feature. So right now we're looking at a micro S&P 500 on a 1-minute chart. You can see here we have a 1-minute time frame. So let's just say if I go back and scroll back to see more history on the chart. So let's just take a look at this very first candle here. You can see the timestamp and date at the very bottom there, January 27th on Monday, 6:16, which is a 1-minute time frame. Now, of course, when you're changing from a 1-minute to a 5-minute chart, you're not going to see 6:16. Or actually, you know what? I am curious. Let me just change the time frame without activating the feature for now, and let me just show you how it works. So right now, again, pay attention to that first candle we're looking at. January 27th on a Monday at 6:16 is that first candle that we're hovering over. So if I change this to, let's say, like a 5-minute time frame, now if you notice, you see there January 23rd. So it's a completely different date, different time altogether. So now we're going to go back to the 1-minute chart. All right, let's look at that. January 27th, 6:16 once again. So now if I right click on the chart and go to settings, if I click on scales and lines, and if I scroll all the way down at the bottom here, you'll see the option there, save chart left edge position when changing intervals. So I'm going to check that box and click OK. So again, it's a right click on the chart, go to settings, make sure you select the scales and lines category group on the left side, scroll all the way down and select save chart left edge position in when changing interval. Make sure you check it off and click OK. All right, so remember, the first candle here on a 1-minute chart is January 27th on a Monday at 6:16. So if I change this to a 5-minute chart, let's see what happens. January 27th, 6:15. So one thing I was wondering was when you change the time frame, of course, it's going to make sense. It's going to round it off to the nearest interval based on a 5-minute time frame. So if we were looking at a 6:16, it'll round it off to 6:15. If we were looking at a 6:19, it would round it off to 6:20. But notice now you're still on January 27th on Monday at 6:15. So it just makes it a little easier to stay consistent when you're looking at historical data when changing from one time frame to another. And this is how you use the new lock chart position when switching intervals when using the TradingView platform.